Good morning, darlings. So today is the first day of remote learning. I hope that all of you slept good and you are ready to learn. So in Schoology, you will find a folder that says Remote Learning Folder, December 9th through the 18th. This is where we're going to be working for the remainder of the 9 weeks. So you will no longer be working in your atomic structure and periodic table folder. We are going to be only working in the remote learning folder. So if you go to the remote learning, you're going to click on it and you're going to see what your assignments are. So today's assignment for everyone is to just work on makeup work and missing assignments. So if you need to go to iNow, see if you have any zeros, and then make them up and email them to me. So I have attached my email link in the Schoology assignment. You can see it right here. That is what you are emailing to me. Any missing assignments. Now, because you are doing makeup work and emailing it to me, that is the only thing that you should be emailing me. From here on, you are turning all of your work in on Schoology. So you will submit your work through the Schoology assignments. If you have questions, you can email me, but don't email me your work unless it is a missing or makeup assignment. Now, keep in mind, you are remote. You have all of Christmas break. So come January 6th, when you return, if you have a zero, it's staying a zero. I will not allow you to make it up. January 6th is the day that I say, nope, that zero's staying. So you have this whole time. You have 7 days, plus you have all of Christmas break to make up missing assignments. So I expect for you to do them. Now, when you go to Schoology and you click on the remote learning folder, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to be watching this video. So it says, watch this video. That's what you should have clicked on to be getting to this video. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be talking about the element project. So this project is what you are going to be doing the rest of the remote learning. Now, today you're making up work. Tomorrow you're going to be taking your test. So the test is going to be in Schoology in this remote learning folder. You're going to see Thursday, December the 10th, test. I'm going to let you use your packet on this, and I'm going to give you 2 chances to take your test. Now, you're not going to be able to see your answers, the correct answer or the wrong answer, but if you make a bad grade the first time, that way I'm allowing you to make a better grade the second time. So take your time, use your resources, like your notebook, and make a good grade. If you don't make a good grade, try harder the next time. So I'm going to allow you to take it 2 times. After you've taken it the 2 times, I will take your highest grade, okay? Now, so you're doing makeup work today. You're doing the test tomorrow. Friday, we are starting your element project. So Friday, I'm actually going to publish your element project today. So you're going to go in and you're going to click on the element project. And then it says, look here first. So this picture right here shows you what your element is. So if you're in first period, you find your name and then you go over and you find your element. So like Jordan Cook, his element is nitrogen. Fourth period, right here, you go over, you find your element. So Anae, yours is helium. There's 5th period, 6th period, and 7th period. If you have a question about your element, you can email me or message me through Schoology. So your first assignment today is to type your name and your element in the discussion board below or in this assignment. So it is for a grade. It should be a very simple grade, but I just need to know that you've actually watched this video. All right, so that is your element. Now, we are going to walk through the different parts. So the first part is called the research page. You can see that I have a video attached. You click the video and you watch the video. You're also going to have a sheet attached right here that I'm going to put up in just a second, so you're going to be able to see it as well. It's going to be in a Kami document. So if you don't have Kami on your computer, you need to go back to your home screen and click on Schoology Resources, and then click on Kami and Schoology. You can use that link. It helps you. And then there's also Kami extension. click on the extension link and it walks you through how to upload Kami into your extensions on your Chromebook. So that is something that you need to do to make sure that you can complete this project. All right, going back to your project in the remote learning folder, element project, that's the first part. So there's a research page. It walks you through everything that you need to do in that video. The second part is the presentation. There is also a video attached that explains everything that you need to do for your project. Now, pre-AP and regular is different. If you are in a regular science class, so you are first period or fourth period, you are creating a Google slide. You will not be presenting. So if it discusses presentation in your rubric, just ignore that part. You are only going to be creating a Google slide and submitting it to me through this assignment. If you are a pre-AP, we are going to be presenting. So I'm going to show you how you are going to do that. So pre-AP, you will have this in your Schoology. This is a sign-up sheet. So you are only going to be presenting for 3 to 5 minutes, and you are going to be presenting in front of your peers. There is a sign-up sheet. It's going to be in Schoology. It's a Google sheet that you need to put your name under a specific time. Now, I did this because you need to make sure that you have stable internet during the time that you signed up for. So if you don't have internet at your house, this is a week away. It gives you a week to figure out where you're going to find internet, whether you have to go to a neighbor's house or a grandparent's house, or you need to go to Jamocha's or McDonald's, or where you need to go to find internet. And it's during these times. So if you know that your parent doesn't get off work until 11 o'clock a.m., and they're going to take you somewhere, then you need to sign up for the 2 to 2:30 section. Don't sign up for a section that you're not going to have internet in. So all you will do is you'll type your name, and then your name. You have now signed up for the 9 to 9:30 section on Wednesday, December 16th. Pre-AP, here is your second assignment. Your comment in the discussion board not only needs to have your element, it also needs to tell me what time you are signing up, as well as you need to come and sign up on the document. Once you have signed up, do not delete your name. If you delete your name, you need to email me first. Do not delete anybody else's names. This is just for you to comment on one box. Once all 10 of these are filled up, you are not allowed to select any box inside that. I can only have 10 students because of the time frames. So going back to the final part of your element project, you are going to be creating a superhero or a supervillain. So these are the video instructions for that. Again, there will be a worksheet that is in Kami that will help you to create your superhero or supervillain. On this, you will have to color and draw. If you do not have colored pencils at home, then you can take pictures from Google and put it in a Google slide, and just copy and paste and then label. So you can copy and paste the head of a superhero onto a Google slide, or you can copy and paste the body of a superhero onto a Google slide, and then you would just label it. So just make it work, okay? If you have any questions, you can email me or message me through Schoology. Keep in mind, this is supposed to be a fun assignment. So if you are really confused and you have no clue what you're supposed to be doing, watch the videos, email me, message me through Schoology. If you still have no clue, you can call up to the school and I will talk to you over the phone if I need to. But because we are going to be strictly remote, I will only be answering emails and Schoology assignments from 7:40 to 3 o'clock. So if you message me or email me after that time frame, and I won't message you back until the next day, okay? So just keep in mind what you have to do for your assignments. Remember, regular first and fourth period needs to comment their name and their element into the discussion board, and then pre-AP, which is fifth, sixth, and seventh, you need to message in the discussion board your name, your element, and then what time you would like to Zoom or Google Meet for your project. So those are the 3 things that you need to comment. I hope that y'all all have a very Merry Christmas, and I look forward to seeing you on January 6th.